Okay, so I'm here now. Finally, I feel like it's about to rain. I don't know. My Uber is 1 minute away to the Airbnb, and yeah. So like I was trying to tell y'all, none of my clothes came. None of my clothes came. I packed all clothes from my closet and was just gonna go with that. While I'm walking to get in the car to go there, why is all my clothes outside in front of my door? When I say I ripped them up and bought so much fast, we in the yams for my Bday. Yes. We used to get fucked up. Y'all, we are on the way to AT&T Lounge. We got 2 separate lists because it's a lot of us. It's an hour away.
What? Our DoorDash was left on the doorstep.
Ooh, girl, somebody gonna see that. Yeah. Baby girl. We out here. And it's giving. Hey y'all, this is Nye on Courtney. On Courtney's yes, Nye checking in. Yeah. I can't see, we might be by some gators. Hold up. Mine is so cute. Welcome to Miami. This is cute. Oh, I thought that was a real person, man. That was not. Y'all say hey. Yana Nye. Say hi. Tamara. Who's that?
Y'all
Tamara and Roman.
Stay right there to your right.
Kayla and Gabe, say hi. Okay, y'all, so we are now getting ready to go to Nikki Beach. The girls are getting ready. And yes. We outside. Go on, say hi. So y'all, Nikki Beach, we gotta wear all white and we look so cute. It's a celebration, my stinker birthday tomorrow. Nikki Beach, here we come. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah, we gotta clean up. Don't mind our B&B. But this is very cute. Ooh, I don't have no bag. But they can kiss my ass. Hey. Y'all, so we on the way to Nikki Beach now. Gayla. We in this bitch. Our bras on fleek. That fact. We about to get drunk as a bitch. Yeah. She need to be seen. Hey, sir.
Need to be seen.
From finding ways to reduce risks to keeping safety supplies in stock. And for that, he relies on Grainger. Grainger offers a broad range of quality products and next-day delivery.
Okay, y'all. We here. You gotta wave the waiter. What you gonna do?
Hey, excuse me.
Yeah. Waiter. Waiter. How you calling a waiter? Sir. Miss Dexon. Waiter. Yeah, come on. What they say? Come on. Come on. Wait. Come on in. Come on in. We need that. I know that's hard. He's saying the girl fast. Ooh, I'm taking a video. This looks so cute. Yes, y'all. It's nightlife time. Period. The door is out. Pretty girl. Yes. You so irritated.
Big black motherfucking
Oh, yes.
truck for the motherfucking biggest.
Hey, what's it? What? What's that for? That is not. He lit as that. Have y'all IDs ready?
No, what you say?
Have y'all IDs ready? And we checking bags and all that.
Took them for guns.
Get the fuck up. Operation Wake Not Here the fuck up. Yeah.
5 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah. Wakey, wake. Wakey, wake. I know that's right. My girl up the fuck. Nah, you was sleeping like a beautiful brother.
Put a J in your mouth real quick.
Hey. I'm still alive. I'm still alive. Today is day 3. Really the last day. Bitch over here signing her life away. You don't even know what she say. Life on God. Okay. Yeah, word.
Is that your bestie? I'm a ice, but we all like Bestie. The whole world. Is that your bestie? I'm a ice, but we all like Bestie. I'm an action.
Like that out! What? What?
Let's go to the beach, bitch. Let's go get away. I'm happy we're going to the beach now.